Hey guys, this is Pradyun from PB Prime Play, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make JARVIS in Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the code right here. I'll show you and tell you all about it. Before that I'm going to show you a demo of it. So I'm just going to show you a demo. If you want to see the source code, the link is in the description.
Good afternoon. I am Jarvis, your PC assistant. How may I help you?
What is a cow?
Here's something I found on Wikipedia. Counting is a recorded activity of sneaking up on any unsuspecting or sneaking up my cow and pushing it over for entertainment. The practice of counting is generally considered an urban legend, and stories of such feats do as tall tales. Next command. Sir.
What are you doing?
I am fine. Next command. Sir.
Send an email.
Who is the recipient?
Myself.
What should I say?
Hello, this is a tutorial. Okay, next.
Email has been sent successfully. Next command. Sir.
Bye.
Sorry sir. I didn't get that. Try typing the command. Bye, sir. Hope you had a nice time with me.
And now let's see the email if it has been sent. And as you can see, it's been sent 0 minutes ago. Hello, this is it.
Good afternoon. I am Jarvis, your PC assistant. How may I help you?
Open Google.
Opening Google, sir. Next command. Sir.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube, sir.
See,
Next command.
that's pretty good.
Sir.
About.
Sorry sir. I didn't get that. Try typing the
So
command.
he's stuck there. I can say anything which I watched already, guys.
Bye, sir. Hope you had a nice time with me.
And that's it. So just stay till the end for the tutorial. So now to start off, first you have to import a few things right here. You have to import xxxx3, which is from speech to text recognizer. It's converter actually, the same thing. Import web browser. So that's what it does. If you say open Google, it is gonna go to web browser and open that. SMTP is the server through which you can send emails. Import random. We can give random choices. That look good. I'll just show you where we can use it. Import speech recognition for recognition of speech related, of course. Import Wikipedia. So you can use Wikipedia. Sorry. You can use Wikipedia to get information of many things. Like if you ask anything, same thing with other AI devices. Import date and time. So if you didn't see when I started the program, it said good afternoon, which is the current time right now. So it's gonna say it according to the time. So now Wolfram Alpha, it is an API actually. So please do see that site. It also gives a lot of information, this and Wikipedia. So just go to that site, the link is in the description. And import OS, you will need that to play music. I didn't actually show how to play music, but you should understand that you can play music with that. And now here is a client. So for the Wolfram Alpha, you need to have a client, and that's an app ID. So you have to go and make yourself an app ID and paste it right here. So the engine xxxx3 initiation. So this is a driver, SAPI5. SAPI5's full form is this Microsoft Speech API. So it belongs to Microsoft. It's the driver. And then voices, you have to get property of the voices, and here you can choose many voices. Actually I'm using the default voice, you can download many more voices. And here I've made a dev program for audio, and I'm going to so whatever it's going to whatever I'm going to write in the program right here, it's going to speak it aloud in real life. So that's just what it's doing right here. I can call this command wherever I want. So this is the speak one. So this is speak command. You can use it wherever you want. Here also you use speak. So you brought this here. So you can call it anything. You can just say, like you can just say or anything, nothing changes. It's just the name. And I use def greet me command where I say the current hour right here, current X, same thing. So the daytime which is the now, the current time, and that's in hours. It's an integer value. So now if that integer value is less than, so that means that if it's more than 0, more or equal to 0, and it is less than 12, then it's a good morning, saying good afternoon and good evening. So that's what we are doing. We're going to find the time and it's going to greet us. And then I called this command, so it's going to do all this. And it's going to speak. So I again use the speak command, and I said, I am JARVIS, your PC assistant. How may I help you? And then def my command. So it is the actually it's going to listen to your command right here. So my command means listen. You can decide anything. So it's going to show in a variable r is equal to sr dot recognizer. So with the sr microphone, the microphone is source. I'm going to print listening, and then it's going to cause the threshold which is equal to 1 now, and the audio r dot listen audio, you can see there. So audio is r dot listen, and it's the source is here. And then you're gonna try to take the query into the Google recognizing audio, and then you can choose the language. You can use English, India, anything. I can choose normal English or India, anything is fine. And it's gonna print your user command. So it's just gonna print it on the screen what you're saying. And then if there's any unknown value error, it's gonna say that it will get it right typing in the command, and then the whole thing is gonna be taken into an input value. And then there is a while true loop. So this loop is going to go on and on. So then the query my command is going to be stored in the my command def function is going to be stored into query. And then you're going to lower that query because it's case sensitive. I don't want anything to happen with the case sensitivity. And then if YouTube isn't query, if I say open YouTube, then it's going to speak opening YouTube, and then it's going to use web browser which we imported, and then youtube.com is going to be opened. And if it's going to open Google, same thing. And then I've just made a bit of chatting thing. If you want to ask, we'll see if you're better than Siri, you're better than Cortana. I'm just going to say I'm friend with all AI devices. I like AI. I'm going to choose one of the random choices from there. And then again, who created you? I've made all these things. Who's a maker? If any of these is same, I'm going to again make a random choice. Any of these formed, you can just use anyone here. It's going to take a random choice. Opening Gmail, exact same thing. So WhatsApp, how are you, what are you doing, how do you do it? It's gonna say just doing it's just gonna pick any one of these random choices and do it. Here if you ask what's your favorite fruit, vegetable, and it's gonna speak something like that. So just for chatting you can use and look nice. And then here I've used the send email command. If I say any of this, it's gonna ask who's the recipient, and it's gonna ask for the recipient in my command. And then if which is me or myself. If I say that, it's going to say what should I say, the content. When content is equal to my command, again it's going to ask you, and then from the server it's going to you have to get hello and start the TLS. You have to log in with your username, you have to put your password, you have to send email to, if you have to put your email and then the recipient's email and then the content, and then you can close the server. It's gonna say speak, it's gonna speak that email has been sent successfully. And if I say abort, inquiry or stop or buy, then it is gonna say buy, so if you had a nice time, it's gonna break right there. And then you can also say hello, stop or hi, anything, it's gonna say hello sir. Play music, you can just take a music folder, this is my path, you should put your music path, and then music, all the music songs which are there in that is going to put in a list, and then random music is going to be played. So that is the random music, and then it's going to say here's your music, enjoy. And else if it is nothing of these are going to work, then you have to use it in a query. So if none of these work, you have to again put in a query variable, and then you're gonna try to so this is the Wolfram Alpha where it comes. So it's gonna try to use Wolfram Alpha to get your answer if none of those works, and if that also doesn't work, you can use Wikipedia also. It's gonna ask from Wikipedia, and if none of these, this whole command, if none of these work, it's just gonna say that I couldn't find anything related to that. Try searching it on Google, and it's gonna open Google. Then it's gonna speak next command, sir, and then this whole loops from starting from this while true, and this entire thing right here, this whole thing is gonna start looping. So this is the thing. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Just give a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel PV Prime Play, and thanks for watching.